Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about these new tires that I put on my Lexus IS 250 here. And I ended up having the need to change all four because these tires were getting to the point where they were 6 years old. Usually 6 years old is 6 years is when you actually want to start taking a look at the tires and the condition of them. And I'll go inside the car more so there's no wind noise, and I'll talk about what I had to deal with. But I'm going to try to show you the tread depth here. You can tell it's brand new, very, very deep. And I also got new sensors here. These are the tire pressure monitor sensors, because the light for the tire pressure light was flashing. But anyways, let's go inside the car now because it's fairly hot out here, and I'll talk about these tires a little bit and why I changed them. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about the tires a little bit as I'm driving here. These are much smoother tires because the ones that were on there before were actually 6 years old, and that's getting to the point where, as I just told you previously when I was outside, that's the point where you need to change your tires and you know, check the tread and have it. In this case, I had it inspected at Discount Tire, and they confirmed that the tread wear it wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great either. You know, it wasn't bald at least, but it was old enough to where the front tires here were actually a little bit cracked. So I guess that was a light kind of what do you call that, dry rot to it. Just driving around this neighborhood here, around this park that I go to. But yeah, it is a much smoother ride, I will say. It's definitely noticeable in the city, and in the highway it was already pretty calm and smooth on the highway, even on the older tires that I had. So I'd say that feels about the same, but it definitely is quieter in the cabin. Now I'm actually gonna go home and probably switch the camera angle a little bit and talk about the tires a little bit more, just so that I could talk directly to you and to the camera. So I'm just going to switch camera angles. We'll just discuss the tires a little bit more and go a little bit more on the backstory of why I changed it, although you have most of it already, and why it's important to change your tires every 6 years, and we'll talk about rotations and stuff like that. So let's just switch right now, and we'll go switch the camera angle to me. All right. So I'm going to talk about the tire that I got. What it's called is Control Contact Sport, SRS Plus, and it's made by a company called Continental. Now, I've always been a faithful Michelin fan, but after looking at the specifications of this brand, it's very, very, very close to the Michelin Pilots. I believe they're called the 4S. And they're basically performance tires as well for the staggered setup of my car. But these Continentals, I'll tell you, they are extremely, extremely close in terms of quality. Now, obviously, Michelin is going to have the brand name. You know, it's kind of like when you look at a phone, right? Apple computer makes iPhones. And then, you know, there are the other companies that make phones, smartphones as well. But simply because it's Apple, it is the cream of the crop. But in this case, yes, it's not a Michelin tire, but it's very, very close. And I actually looked at a side-by-side comparison between the Pilot Sport and the tires that I got. And so, very, very good tires, I'll say. I do notice that it is quieter in the cabin, like I just mentioned while I was driving home. And I think afterwards as well, I'm going to actually go on the freeway and talk about it a little bit more, just so you can probably witness the quietness of the cabin and just how smooth the car is. But anyhow, that is it. The Contact Sport by Continental is a very, very good tire. I did have to change it, you know. As I was saying, you know, this is something I'm going to stress again. If your tires are 6 years old or more, and you didn't rotate them regularly, then check them. Now, unfortunately for me, I have a sports car, okay? These tires that were on there before are non-rotational, meaning that the tires in the front are directional. You cannot switch them to the back or, you know, right to left, or, you know, However, you would actually do a staggered setup rotation. But these tires, the Continentals, you can actually rotate them so it gets even tread wear. And that's just kind of the thing you deal with when you drive a luxury sports sedan like I have. You know, it's just, you know, everything's just a little bit more expensive. You have to be aware of like, just to be aware of tires and how they wear. Obviously, as I told you that this is a staggered setup, you cannot rotate the tires from back to front, only left to right. It's not going to last as long as, say, the tires you would get on a Toyota Corolla or a Toyota Camry, which could go maybe 60, 70,000 miles, maybe. Just depends on how you drive. These tires are cut kind of maybe 40% less that you could get, meaning that the tires that on the tires that I have, the Continentals, will probably take me 40 to 50,000 miles. So as you can see already, that's 20,000 miles or so short of what you would get if you just had a regular car, you know, economy car or whatever, where you could rotate them in the regular manner. Anyways, let's just go to the freeway now. I'm going to drive and we'll witness how smooth the car is, how quiet the cabin is, and then we'll end the video there. So let's do that. So I'm here on the freeway now driving, and let me just say that it is very, very smooth. I'm going about 75 right now, and it's very quiet in here, very little cabin noise. So, in regards to the Continental Contact Sports tires, consider getting it if you have a luxury car. I don't know if they have these tires for just ordinary cars like Corollas and Camrys and Civics and such, but I would assume that they have something that is equivalent to that you could put on that car, if that's the kind of car that you do drive. But that's going to be it for this review. I'll see you next time, and I gotta drive to the event that I'm going to, so see you next time in the next video. If you're subscribed, thank you, and if you're not, consider it. God bless you.